All right, hello. Welcome to another episode of Kitchen Creations with Chef Alex Hamilton.
Hello.
This time we want to highlight something that he's been working on.
And so this is very close to my heart. It's a male vitality smoothie booster. So just like our other, we have the chocolate and the berry smoothie booster. This one is focused at male vitality. So, like a lot of testosterone helping herbs. So we got like Tonkat Ali in there. We got pine pollen. Pine pollen was kind of the center of this.
Yeah.
With the benefit of organs in there, so heart and liver from organic, grass-fed, grass-finished beef, and so.
Yeah, locally sourced. So that's
Yeah.
something that we freeze dry in-house.
Yeah.
And for those of you that are aware of the power of organ meats, we've had the capsules available for a long time. That's a great option. But we've gotten so many requests like, okay, food. Let's get it into food. Let's get it into food form. And the smoothie boosters originally came inspiration for kids, right?
Yeah.
For parents who'd be able to okay, boom, let's just pop this in. It's well created, well balanced. The flavor integrates amazingly into a smoothie. And then the next obvious one was like, okay, let's focus on something for the guys and the male vitality and how we can kind of elevate that game because, gosh, we need it in our society, don't we?
100%. There's so many things that are deleterious to the male vitality, so it's like we gotta double up and triple up. And so this is why I love this. Like it was the whole thing of like pine pollen and you kind of introducing me to pine pollen and how it is, and then that the year after we harvested a bunch, I was just like felt so good all the time, and my levels are very good, and so
cool.
Might as well get this in the morning, and yeah, it's got like tribulus in it as well.
Cool.
It's a little bit bitter, but
right.
I mean,
we figured the guys could handle that, right? It's like we've got enough superfoods and herbs and everything in there that you can taste it because you want to have the results, the benefit. So yeah, that little bit of bitterness. I know one of my neighbors, he takes his Tonkat in the morning, which just by itself is it's so bitter, right?
It's like smelling salts of food.
But as a result, like he's like many people, you kind of acclimatize to the taste, and it actually becomes like this kind of positive like reinforcement of just like like I got it in, like that bitter taste becomes like a driver. So what are some of the other flavors in here, and what would be the best? Like, what do you envision it kind of mixing in with in terms of flavor combinations as well?
So there's like a lot of ginger in it and maca, so it's like a caramel kind of thing. So it's like more of a tropical kind of feel, like mango, like coconut. And because of the electrolytes as well in like the coconut and mango and all that, it would be I think really really amazing. I mean, I've just had it on its own, and so
so you can do that too, right? Just by the spoonful,
go straight and the coconut, there is coconut cream powder in it, but it's just to kind of accent everything, but there'll need to be more like pineapple, mango, and coconut in there to really get, if you're sensitive to bitter.
Yeah, for sure. So, choose your own adventure when it comes to flavors, but that's some great suggestions. And like you say, kind of like creamy caramel, ginger with a hint of bitter, So wherever you think that'll go.
Yeah.
And if you want to try out kind of our classic ones, the strawberry and the chocolate, organs and just kind of supportive herbs for overall general health, general vitality. This one is for the guys.
Yeah.
All right, enjoy.